Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Is solanine destroyed by cooking? Solanine is not removed by boiling, but it can be destroyed by frying. Solanine poisoning is uncommon as cooks and the public are aware of the problem and tend to avoid green potatoes. In any case, consumption of up to 5 grams of green potato per kilogram body weight per day does not appear to cause acute illness. How do you fix green potatoes? What should I do with a green potato? Always use caution if small areas of greening are found in tubers because they contain elevated levels of solanine. Removing the green portions by simply cutting them out will eliminate most of the toxin. However, if more extensive greening occurs, throw the tuber away. What does solanine taste like? 4.16. Solanine is a bitter-tasting steroidal alkaloid saponin that has been isolated from all nightshades, including tomatoes, capsicum, tobacco, and eggplant. However, the most widely ingested solanine is from the consumption of potatoes. Are rotten potatoes toxic? Rotting potatoes give off a noxious solanine gas that can make a person unconscious if they've inhaled enough. There have even been cases of people dying in their root cellars due to unbeknownst rotting potatoes. If you find or buy green potatoes, throw them out.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.